To draw tangent and normal at a point N, you have to draw an arc of radius equal to radius of this generating circle. From this point N, draw an arc with radius equal to radius of this generating circle, which cut the locus of centers at this particular point. From this particular point, draw a vertical line which intersects the directing line at point O. This is the point of contact of this generating circle when this generating point coincides with N. What you have to do, join this O with N and extend the line. This is the required normal at this particular point. And now draw a line which is perpendicular to this normal and passing through N. This will be required tangent. Now remember this, when point is later half of this curve, then you have to draw arc towards left of the point. When this point is in first part of the curve, that is up to here, you have to draw this arc towards right of the point. Now for drawing tangent and normal at a point on epicycloid, this is the point where we want to draw tangent and normal. The method is same. Draw an arc of radius r, which is equal to radius of generating circle, which cuts the locus of centers, this locus of centers at this particular point. Now join this point with this point M, which intersects the directing circle at this point O. Now join O with N and extend this line. This is the required normal in this curve. And from this point, draw a line which is perpendicular to normal. This is your required tangent. To draw tangent and normal at a point on hypocycloid, method is similar. What you have to do, for a particular point N, take a radius r, which is radius of generating circle, and draw an arc which cuts the locus of centers at this particular point. And from this point, join this M and extend this line which meets at this point on directing circle. So this is the point O. From this point O, draw a line joining N and extend the line. This line is the required normal on this point N. Now draw a line which is perpendicular to this normal and passing through this point. This is the required tangent ST. Thank you.